Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to close your Klarna account. All right, if you've been wondering how to get that done, this video is for you. I'm gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all. Let's just get straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Klarna account. You can log into your Klarna account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website with your computer. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to go to the account tab. And once you're there, just click on close account. Now you're going to need to confirm that you want to indeed close your account. And once that's done, just review the terms and conditions and submit the account's closure request. And Klarna is going to take care of the rest and close your account for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to close your Klarna account. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.